Good to see you again. It's Anita here from Nimbus eCommerce, where we help Shopify and Amazon sellers transform the accounting and maximize their profits. If you can please let me know in the comments down below if you are watching live, #live, or if you are possibly watching a replay, #replay. Today I'm going to continue talking about one of the 5 big profit draining mistakes that e-commerce businesses make time and time again. So today's topic is the mistake number 3, hiring a cheap accountant. Believe me, it's a very common mistake, and today I'm going to talk you through the reasons why you should avoid it. When you're looking to maximize profits in your e-commerce business, cost-based hiring often seems like a good idea. However, this is a very short-sighted approach that can actually drain your profits and can land your business in financial trouble. Many online business owners assume that all accountants offer the same service, but this could not be farther from the truth. When hiring an accountant, you shouldn't focus on how much money it will cost in the short term, but how much money they will save and generate for you in the future. This is particularly relevant for businesses trading online, as the e-commerce accounting is really complex and presents many challenges that not too many general accountants can deal with, unfortunately. There are many cheap accountancy firms out there, but you really do pay for what you get. Many businesses fail to realize that anyone can call themselves an accountant without any qualifications or experience whatsoever. An accountant can be anybody, but chartered accountants study for many years to pass their exams and gain a lot of practical experience whilst doing so. Therefore, they charge significantly more than cowboys who have no knowledge or expertise to speak of. Ask yourself one question. Do you really want the cowboys handling your accounts? I suppose you don't. So, when hiring an accountant, one of the first things you should look for is an ACA, ACCA, or CIMA qualification. Chartered accountants are regulated by external professional bodies, and they have to remain up to date with all the latest practices and guidelines. Another important thing to look for is their experience in e-commerce industry. The complexities of taxation, VAT on international trading, inventory management, COGS recognition, costs of goods sold recognition, high volume of transactions for businesses selling on Shopify or Amazon. These are the main aspects that general accountants really struggle with. Cheap accountants are hired based on cost rather than quality of service. Therefore, a cheap accountant will most likely do the bare minimum for your business. This, on the other hand, puts you at risk of mistakes which can result in potentially high fines. It also means that you are likely to miss out on incentives that a qualified and experienced accountant would be able to spot for you. Remember one sentence. Cheap accountants prove expensive in the long run. And trust me, we had many cases like this, many clients coming to us asking for help with fixing their e-commerce accounts, fixing the mess caused by other accountants. Hiring an accountant is one of the first things you should do when starting your e-commerce business, because it is easier to avoid problems in your books now than it is to clean them up later. Trust me, it's a very cumbersome and costly process. So a good advice for you is to hire an expert accountant who can help you reach your goals and get them aligned with your objectives from day one. An expert e-commerce accountant will go over your accounts and identify problematic areas in order to maximize your profits as much as possible. They can also offer valuable industry insights and help you with forecasting, thus protecting and accelerating your business growth. Additionally, they can also advise you on financing opportunities, and they can help you to present the best possible case to potential investors. In short, the services of a quality e-commerce accountant can totally transform the financial health of your business. In fact, they will help you to fix financial problems you didn't even know you had. Expert accountants aren't hired based on cost, so it is in their interest to boost your profits as much as they possibly can. This is much more than a compliance cost. It is an investment in your e-commerce business that will dramatically boost your profits by saving and generating revenue. In the series of tutorials over the incoming days, I'm going to take you through other common mistakes that can drain your profits. I will also teach you how to avoid them. So I'm really hoping to see you in the next video. If you would like to find out about all 5 big profit draining mistakes that e-commerce businesses make, just click the link below to download my full ebook. Thanks for watching today, and I hope to see you in the next live video. Bye for now.